Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vina and I'm so glad to have you back. Today's video is about how to make aloe vera oil for extreme hair growth. I'm gonna teach you 3 ways to make aloe vera oil for massive hair growth and skincare. You won't have to jump from one video to another to find the best way to make your aloe vera oil because you will have everything in just one video. So I'm gonna be walking you guys step by step and showing you exactly what you need to know to find the best way to make your aloe vera oil to get your natural hair thicker and longer. So let's get started. My most important ingredient is a fresh aloe vera leaf. And the first thing I'm gonna do is prepare it. I'm gonna cut off the bottom of the leaf, and this is very important, guys. We have to remove the aloe from the aloe vera leaf. Aloe is a natural chemical found in the skin of the aloe vera plant. One of the best ways to remove it is letting it rest in water. For that, we're gonna put a cup of water in a container and we're gonna let it for 24 hours. Can you see this yellow liquid coming out? That's the aloe, and it itches and causes irritation to the skin. That's why we need to remove it before we use it in our scalp or skin. The next day, look at how the aloe changes the color of the water. Now we're ready to start with method 1, which is a heating method. First, I'm gonna cut off the sides of the leaf to facilitate its manipulation. I'm gonna take half aloe vera leaf and I'm gonna cut it into smaller pieces. For this method, we will need avocado oil. It is great to stimulate hair growth, and the most important thing is that it is one of the few vegetable oils that can hold up to 255 Celsius degree without losing its properties. I'm gonna add a good amount so I can cover the aloe vera pieces, and I'm gonna put it over medium heat to preserve the properties of the aloe vera and avocado oil. I'm gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna transfer my fresh aloe vera oil to a glass bottle. Put the lid on, and my oil is ready to be applied on the scalp, middle and ends to stimulate hair growth. For my second method, I'm gonna be using 2 pieces of aloe vera like this. I'm cutting the top part off with a knife, and then I'll take the gel out with a tablespoon. Now, I'm gonna cut the aloe vera crystal in little tiny pieces like this. This method is ideal for those who are sensitive to aloe, because we've already removed the aloe and we're working without the skin, which is where the aloe deposits are, so it's safe to apply on the face and on the hair. Now, I'm gonna add my aloe vera pieces to my mixing jar. And next and last I'm gonna be adding is olive oil until the aloe vera pieces are completely covered. For this method, we need to save our aloe vera oil in a dark place for a few days until it gets ready to be used. Let's move on to third method. For the third method, we're gonna need a good piece of aloe vera, and I'm gonna cut it in small pieces. Once I'm done cutting my aloe vera, I'm gonna take it to the blender. I'm gonna be adding olive oil or avocado oil and blend it all together until I get it well mixed. Now I'm gonna squeeze the juice out, and for that I'm gonna be using this piece of leggings to get the fluid out and avoid particles of aloe vera on my hair. These particles are so hard to get completely out of your hair. Now you can choose whether using it just like this, which is amazing, or get the pure oil. But before you take your decision, remember we used the skin of the aloe vera leaf to blend it all together. So you have to do a little test before applying it to your hair or skin. Put some in your hand, and if it doesn't sting, you can use it safely. We pack it up and it's ready to use. But if it itches, you should go wash your hand and dry it with a drying paper or a clean towel. Then we must take it to the fire for a few minutes and extract only the oil. Another thing to remember is that olive oil loses its properties when subjected to higher temperatures. Better use coconut or avocado oil. With this method, you must be especially careful because the gel and the oil are mixed. It splashes a lot and can burn you. Remember to put it on low heat and keep a safe distance. After 10 minutes cooking, remove the oil from the heat, and when it cools down a little, you can go ahead and transfer it to your applicator bottle or your mason jar. So guys, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends, comment down below any question you have. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified whenever I post a new video for massive hair growth. Love you all and see you guys in my next one. Bye!